Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
One of the most dynamic features of HTML is its ability to display selectable hyperlinks, or links for short, which allow the user to navigate from one topic or page to the next. By clicking on a link, the user jumps to the desired location. Links most often take the form of underlined text, but you can also turn images into links, which is covered in the Images chapter. When a link is created and a mouse pointer is held over the image or text that is a link, the pointer turns into a pointing hand that indicates a clickable link. You can link users to other pages on your site, other pages on the web, to an email address, and even to other types of documents, such as a Microsoft Word document or a PDF file. Before you begin creating links, it is important to understand URLs. As mentioned earlier, each page on the internet has a unique address called a URL, or Uniform Resource Locator. The first part of a web address is the HTTP prefix, followed by a colon and 2 forward slashes. Most of the time when you are surfing the web, your browser will insert the HTTP prefix for you. However, when inserting web addresses into your HTML code, you must include it as part of the full web address. The second part is the host name preceded by www period for World Wide Web. The host name is also called a domain name. For example, in the web address http://www.yahoo.com, yahoo.com is the host or domain name. If the page you are linking to is not the main page of the site, you need to specify its exact location and file name. For example, to send someone to TeachUComp Inc.'s course selection page, the URL would be http://www.teachucomp.com/courses/. Be careful when typing these web addresses, as one wrong character will cause a broken or non-functioning link. Always test your links before you publish your HTML page so that users have a positive experience. There are two types of links you can create in HTML: absolute and relative. An absolute link generally refers to and is used to create a link that takes the user to a specific page on the web outside of the current website. An absolute link contains a complete URL. For example, http://www.teachucomp.com. A relative link is commonly referred to as a shorthand web address. You use relative links to refer to pages on the same website. For example, once someone is on the TeachUComp Inc. website at www.teachucomp.com, a relative link to take the visitor to our course selection would be /courses/. When using a relative link, it is generally a good idea to put a trailing / at the end of the web address. If left off, it causes your browser to submit a request to the server twice, the first time requesting the address without the trailing slash, and then again with the trailing slash automatically added by your browser.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.